My name is Jayant. I am studying in first standard, St. Phenomenus High School, Chandapura branch.
States and capitals.
States and capital: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati; Andhra Pradesh, Kitanagar; Assam, Dispur; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Madhya Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Tiruvananthapuram; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Impal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Mysore; Nagaland, Kohima; Orissa, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Sikkim, Lamtuk; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttaranchal, Dehradun; Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow; West Bengal, Kolkata.
30 districts of Karnataka.
30 districts of Karnataka: Bagalkot, Belgavi; Dharwad, Gadag; Haveri, Uttara Kannada; Vijayapura; Bengaluru Urban; Bengaluru Rural; Chikkaballapura; Chikadurga; Ravanagere; Kolar; Shimoga; Tumkur; Ravanagara; Belgavi; ಬೀದರ್, ಕಲಬುರ್ಗಿ; ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ; ರಾಯಚೂರು; ಯಾದಗಿರಿ; ಚಾಮರಾಜನಗರ; ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು; ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ; ಹಾಸನ; ಕೊಡಗು; ಮಂಡ್ಯ; ಮೈಸೂರು; ಉಡುಪಿ.
Prime Minister of India.
Prime Minister of India: Jawaharlal Nehru; Gujarilal Nanda; Lal Bahadur Shastri; Indira Gandhi; Morarji Desai; Charan Singh; Rajiv Gandhi; Vishwanath Pratap Singh; Chandrasekhar; P.V. Narasimha Rao; Atal Bihari Vajpayee; H.D. Devegowda; Inder Kumar Gujarat; Manmohan Singh; Narendra Modi.
7 continents.
7 continents: Asia; Africa; Europe; North America; South America; Antarctica; Australia.
5 oceans of world.
5 oceans of world: Arctic Ocean; Atlantic Ocean; Indian Ocean; Pacific Ocean.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami; Bengali; Gujarati; Hindi; Kannada; Kashmiri; Konkani; Malayalam; Marathi; Odia; Punjabi; Sanskrit; Tamil; Telugu; Urdu.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rigveda; Yajurveda; Samaveda; Atharvana Veda.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashatara of Lord Vishnu: Matsya; Kurma; Varaha; Narasimha; Vamana; Parashurama; Rama; Krishna; Buddha; Kalaki.
Jnanapita Awards winners in Karnataka.
Jnanapita Awards winners in Karnataka: Kuvempu; Dr. B.R. Bendre; Shivaram Karal; Masti Venkatesh Iyengar; V.K. Gokal; U.R. Anantamurthy; Girish Karnad; Chandrasekhara Kambara.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of Karnataka: Goa; Andhra Pradesh; Maharashtra; Tamil Nadu; Telangana; Kerala.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan; Bangladesh; Bhutan; China; Myanmar; Nepal; Sri Lanka; Pakistan.
Fundamental rights.
Fundamental rights, rights to equality, rights to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, right culture and education rights.
6 ಋತುಗಳು.
6 ಋತುಗಳು: ವಸಂತ ಋತು, ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮ ಋತು, ವರ್ಷ ಋತು, ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು, ಶಿಶಿರ ಋತು.
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು.
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು: ಚೈತ್ರ, ವೈಶಾಖ, ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ, ಆಷಾಢ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಭಾದ್ರಪದ, ಆಶ್ವೀಜ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ, ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ, ಪುಷ್ಯ, ಮಾಘ, ಫಾಲ್ಗುಣ.
Antonyms: in,
Out,
up,
down,
from,
to,
on,
off,
top,
bottom,
over,
under,
above,
below,
after,
before,
inside,
outside,
near,
for,
next,
previous,
behind,
in front of,
against,
along,
big,
small,
yes,
no,
wet,
dry,
hot,
cold,
new,
old,
day,
night,
low.
high.
Genders: male,
Female,
boy,
girl,
brother,
sister,
father,
mother,
grandfather,
grandmother,
son,
daughter,
daddy,
mummy,
papa,
mama,
uncle,
aunt,
gentleman,
lady,
husband,
wife,
man,
woman,
nephew,
nice,
sir,
madam,
bull,
cow,
cock,
hen,
dog,
bitch,
lion,
lioness,
tiger,
tigeress,
peahen,
peahen,
king,
king,
actor,
actress,
prince,
princess,
milkman.
milkmaid.
Major rivers of India:
Major rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Taminabarani, Vaigar, Yamuna.
solar system:
Solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Thank you.